715 was assented to by former President John Ejiokum Kufuor in 2006 after Parliament passed the bill the same year. It was intended to protect the rights of persons with disabilities, PWDs, in the country, particularly on basic access to public facilities and services. According to the Federation, a gap analysis conducted in the Act in 2013 revealed a rather disturbing phenomenon, as almost all provisions in the law had not been adhered to by state actors, thereby compounding their plight.
We call on the state through the Sector Ministry of Gender, Children and Social Protection and the National Council on Persons with Disabilities to, as soon as possible, take appropriate actions for ensuring that the responses to the comments from the Attorney General's Department are dealt with speedily and effectively for the 715 amendment process to, as soon as practicable, get to Parliament before the end of this year.
Chairman of the Advocacy Committee of the Federation, Alexander Bankole Williams, says the Federation will no longer tolerate any lackadaisical approach to lay the bill before Parliament.
Why have we delayed the whole process? It is simply because those in authority and decision making are not persons with disability. They don't feel what we feel. They don't know what we feel. So they take the stage and they talk nicely. They say the things we want to hear, but they don't do the things that require doing. We say the Ministry of Gender, Children and Social Protection, they should prepare spaces for us because very soon we'll be sleeping there.
He noted that communicating with the visual and hearing impaired when they visit public facilities would be addressed if the amended act is passed and implemented.
We have had women with disabilities go to seek sexual and reproductive health care services when they are pregnant, and they are given wrong medications, and the fetuses in their wombs are aborted. Why? Simply because the doctors cannot communicate to them in accessible forms, and they cannot do so because they are not doing so because they are not obliged by law. Enough is what? Enough. Let's get on with the process.
Ghana currently has 737,743 persons with disability, representing 3% of the total population.